Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Rowkin Surge Charge. These are a pair of true wireless headphones, as you can tell. They're actually very similar to the Rowkin Surge headphones I checked out back in December, but what's new and different here is that now it comes with a battery charging case, and that's pretty much the only difference now. I was kind of annoyed that the previous ones didn't come with this, so now at least you have a place to put the headphones in when you're not using them. They'll be actively charging as well. I'm still not a fan of the micro USB connection. I think it's kind of clunky. I wish they went with a different type of charging system, but it is what it is. And at least you could charge your other micro USB devices on the go with the case. The second thing here is the design. They are water resistant, so if you're big into exercising, workouts, this will endure all that. And I also like the fitting because they don't come off thanks to the adjustable clips here, and they do feel pretty snug overall. As far as the audio quality, they're okay. There's a little bit of bass that accompanies the mids and highs, but it's not thin and light either. My biggest problem about the Rowkin Surge Charge here is that there's a spotty connection with the right one here. It seems to go in and out, especially if you move your smartphone far away from you. So that's an issue by itself. And the last thing here is the pricing. $120, that's $10 less than the Rowkin Charge before it. So you do get a little bit of discount, but at the same time, $120 is kind of steep for what you're getting, considering the other options that are out there in the space. You can invest a little bit more, you could get something else that has a little bit more value to it. But if you like these particular styles, then check them out. So if you guys want to learn more about the Rowkin Surge Charge, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.